AI agents is a sector within crypto that continues to be hot. It's not cooling down. And Virtuals is a project that we've been covering. It's one of the top places in which to invest into new AI agents. Here's one, for example, that did a 30x in 2 weeks. Not bad. And as a successful launchpad, there are some high quality active agents that got their start on Virtuals, of course, and yet are still good buys right now, currently. So we're going to look at 4 such AI agents today from the Virtuals Genesis launchpad and examine how they've done, first of all, why we like them, including that 30x monster that I just alluded to. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. All the best of luck if you choose to invest AI agents or otherwise. I genuinely wish you well. Just remember that I am not a financial or investment advisor. And that means by extension, of course, this video is not official financial or investment advice. All right, let's kick off here at number 1, which is probably going to be the least surprising entry on this list. And I say that because it's also the best known of all crypto AI agents. At number 1 here, we have AIXBT. And as a project, its stated goal is to become the Bloomberg of crypto. AIXBT acts as a market intelligence agent. It shares relevant info from scraping financial and news platforms, really from all over the world. It's got its own Twitter handle. As you see here, it has automated tweets about the alpha that it finds, such as this one here, for example, about the $5 billion in stablecoins from FTX now hitting the market and the consequences of how bullish that is. AIXBT was the first big agent to come from the virtual ecosystem. Its launch was in November 2024, so just over 6 months ago. And with over 378,000 holders, we see here some pretty wide distribution. Now, while the biggest wallet looks like an exchange wallet, which holds 15%, there are, in addition to that, many individual holders as well. Now, XBT is down on the day. It's looking like a pretty bloody day in the market here as I record, but it's up from 3.5 cents, which was its price at launch in November, to now 16.3 cents. So we're looking at about a 3.5x in those 7 months. That's pretty sweet. And again, despite kind of the carnage that we're seeing right now as I record on, what is today, the 17th of June, things are looking still pretty solid, and this is only the beginning. We've got a new project at Altcoin Buzz that we're very excited to be sharing with you. Check out the information in the description of this video. That's where you can register and find out more. Once again, check out the description. Next up here, we have MAMO, which is a personal finance assistant. It helps you make decisions on things like investments, budgeting, taxes, and the like to help you get the most out of your money. Just like AIXBT, it has its own Twitter account. MAMO listed initially at $0.002 or 0.2 of a penny. Its current price is just above 7 cents. So we're looking at, what is that, at least a 25x in only 2 weeks. And so what we have here really is one of the biggest gainers in the Virtuals ecosystem. Moonwell founder Luke Youngblood is on the founding team of this agent. Coinbase is also an investor in it, with both Brian Armstrong and Base's Jesse Pollock, who are tweeting about this project. And look, to be totally candid, we know it's difficult to find the kinds of projects that are going to perform in the way that this one has. But a couple of clues from this one include a known, credible founder on the team and broad appeal in a necessary market like personal finance. MAMO is doing really well right now, and at a market value of about $25 million, it is also really just getting started. Next up, we have SAMUR AI, SAMUR AI. Samurai, right? Get it? It's an AI agent incubator, but for very specialized agents. So like DEF AI agents or decentralized science agents or dating AI agents. Those exist too, others as well. But it's also a hub of an agent swarm. And that means it's kind of like an agent of agents. You can go to SAMUR and tell it what you need. Then it finds the specific agent to assign that task to with the specialized knowledge necessary to complete the mission with accuracy. And as a level 3 agent, it's one of the more advanced agents on this list by way of its autonomy, actually. That means it can make decisions like whether to reply to a tweet or create new content, but those decisions are limited compared to higher level agents. There is, however, some autonomy here. We like that with MAMO, the focus here is on specialized agents. And as a hub and incubator for them. Not all of them have to be successful for the SAMUR token. That's SAMUR. Not all of them have to be successful for SAMUR to be successful. Its current price sits at 4.5 cents, which is a good 10% discount for its 5-cent launch price, which occurred about a month ago. And again, I'll say it again, it applies to this project as it does to the others that we've talked about. We are early in the case of SAMUR AI. All right, and last but not least here, as far as our agent picks on virtuals, is VADER AI. VADER launched in November, so it's actually one of the oldest on this list, along, of course, with AIXBT. And the idea here is that VADER enables AI-managed DAOs. This is the DFAI, that's DEFAI sector, or automated AI-managed DeFi. So for example, an automated investment fund to invest based on given parameters run through AI models. They also have a launchpad for AI agents and to launch AI-managed DAOs. Now, the big risk with this one is that DAOs have not caught on in the way that, honestly, we thought they would. And many projects that have them tend not to be very decentralized. But this is something that could get better over time. And at the end of the day, if you are bullish on DAOs, then you need to have this one on your radar. Again, it's a down day in the crypto market and really across all markets, probably based on growing international geopolitical tensions. It's a bit of a bleak affair right now when you look at the world. But putting that aside, DEFAI is a fast growing subsector. And it won't just be agents managing swaps on Uniswap or perp trades on Binance. They will also include private, independent funds with automated investing strategies. We like this subsector, and actually we like it a lot, to be honest, and it's very early right now. VADER, at the very least, is one way, perhaps an introduction for you to get exposure to this sector.